So this is the Sensus connected touch system. This is a home screen actually. You can see the current weather. You have 5 different locations. So here in Shanghai it's raining today. You can just swipe. We have a USB connected. You have the full browser. You can browse anything on the internet like Facebook, Twitter, check your email, whatever.
And that will work only when the car is stationary, is that correct?
Yes, stationary. Tuning radio, you have 80,000 radio channels, a couple of 100,000 podcasts. So here we have some channels here in China.
Excellent.
You can choose from.
We try one? Oh, okay.
Oh, sure.
Is it trying to buffer or?
So, yeah.
And you can change the station using steering wheel controls as well,
Yes.
I'm guessing, yeah.
So I can just I can do most of the navigation through the steering wheel controls and the center stack controls. Then we have maps. Yeah, you have a really fast and responsive screen. So looking at maps, it's Google Maps basically.
Yeah, and it's got traffic as well.
Yeah. Right now in this environment we don't have GPS unfortunately,
Yeah.
so it's
It's got satellite view as well.
yeah.
Okay, excellent.
Road trip. So when you come driving into a new place, you can get information about interesting activities going on, or a museum, or any interesting places.
The points
to
of
go.
interest, basically, yeah. And what is that blue icon?
It's just to, once again, we don't have GPS, but I would push that and you will find where you are right now. So we're not in Beijing, but
Okay.
so. Market is where we can add more applications.
Can the user buy applications from inside the car, or is it just...
Yes, you can add, and some applications might cost a small amount of money, but and then you can still buy and download in the car.
So does that mean I should, like, for example, Renault R-Link, I can even enter my credit card details, for example?
Yes.
Is that the same?
Yes.
Okay. Or if I've already got an account, my credit card details will be stored in the account, and
Yes.
if I log in, I could just download the app.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can manage from home on your PC, or you can be in the car.
Okay, excellent. Yeah.
Then we have Volvo Service, just tells you about the closest dealerships. Once again, we don't have GPS, so it thinks we're in Germany. And then you have a really interesting application, which is SmartLink, that actually mirrors your phone. So for newer Android phones like Galaxy S3, you can connect that to the system, and you get the screen from the smartphone onto the screen. You can also navigate onto the screen.
I guess it works in China as long as you've got the right phone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it works. Yeah. Settings where you manage.
That's interesting. What is this mobile network settings?
It's just so right now we are on a USB.
Or you can use a Wi-Fi hotspot, is that?
Yes. So if you go for Wi-Fi, we see a lot of Wi-Fi networks here, and we can connect to those. So when you come home with the car and you want to download, let's say, an application that is very heavy, you can connect to your home Wi-Fi.
hotspot, yeah. Oh, excellent, yeah.
Okay. Gallery is just you can connect or store photos and films. You have a normal line in, video,
And
applications. So this is more of a Chinese version. We don't have that many applications in this car. There's actually more.
What's catalog?
It's just I don't know. Yeah, it stores information about the system. So it's more of a engineering.
Okay. Ah, that's the VNC Smart Link, isn't it? So
Yeah.
because it's VNC, does it also have iPod out?
No, it don't have iPod out.
Okay. Interesting. And you said all the all the Volvo models will come with a screen display as standard, and the Asteroid system can be fitted
Yes.
as long as the car has got a
Yes.
display.
So we're using the standard display. We're just adding a frame around it.
Yeah.
So there's a small gap here, and there we
Touch panel.
yes, and we beam infrared light, and that's what's used to calculate where you push.
Touch. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can touch with a pen or whatever. It doesn't have to be a fingertip.
Oh, interesting.
So you can even have gloves on and navigate through the system.
Excellent.
And then we also have voice search.
Would that be in Chinese? Would it work in Chinese?
No, it would be in English.
But the menu obviously will be in Chinese.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.